Good morning, guys. It's Friday, 6:43. I just wanted to film a little vlog in the end of this week. Today, my plan is to host a BTS event at my work, to meet girlies for UP festival in the city center, and I literally made this plan like 10 minutes ago. Then on Sunday, we have a little bake session as well. Also, I have to do my nails because one nail fell off literally yesterday. I'm obsessed with this Dr. Althea Aqua Mist. You just spray it before applying the makeup. Makeup looks so smooth. These are also my two favorites. Sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon and 345. Also this one, absolutely worth the money. I don't know guys, I'm sleeping for like 5-6 hours for such a long time already. It's actually so sad because I don't have time basically for anything. I really want more hours. I want to like film the videos, I want to edit the videos, I need to do full-time work, and then I want to go to the gym, and then I want to hang out with the girls, to bake and to study Korean. Actually, I'm enjoying that a lot. No complaining, I just want more hours. I'm gonna do like a very quick makeup because I don't really want to put a lot of effort into that. I don't really give a fuck because I'm just going to work. One more thing that is very underrated, brown pencil. You can use it for anything. This is the pencil for eyebrows. I usually don't do my eyebrows at all. I just like brush them and I'm like, fuck it, whatever. When I want like low effort makeup, I just do my eyeliner like this. Then I do freckles quickly like this. Just pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. A little bit. I add a little shadow around my lips. Literally whatever, because you're gonna blend that in. The brown pencil is a must-have. Can you see my eye bags? Girl, you need to sleep. Now that's what I call an outfit. I want to talk about my progress in Korean. I've been learning Korean for 6 months, and recently I started taking also online lessons. I previously was learning by myself. Right now I felt like I really need a teacher. I really need like a native speaker. I've been receiving such a good feedback from my teacher. She told me that I have a good like background. All the things that I learned, she said like it's a decent level. It's actually low-key crazy that I learned Korean by myself to that level, that we're actually able to like take some more advanced like topics, and I'm so thankful to myself for being like so dedicated. But for the speaking part, of course, I'm lacking speaking a lot. These 6 months I haven't been speaking like with anyone. If you guys want, I can share my learning process. What do I do, how I studied alone and stuff, any tips and tricks, you know, all these ads. Oh my gosh, learn English in 3 days. I feel like this right now because Korean is fucking hard, and I'm here stating that I learned Korean to advanced level in just 6 months. No guys, like literally sometimes I forget like the most basic words. Like yesterday I forgot the word to forget, the verb. I was like, girl, what are you doing here? That's totally normal, since like you are memorizing like a lot of grammatical things, and you're memorizing a lot of like vocabulary. It's actually 7:40, so I'm gonna try to do my honey coffee that I wanted to make. I didn't actually have like enough ice cubes, so everything melted, but at least it's iced. It's so good. But honestly, for myself, I would prefer like a double shot.
On our way to the city, it's quite late, it's like 1 o'clock.
I actually didn't have time to properly do my hair, but I guess that works. Let's go to work. Let's do BTS event. Hello guys, I just arrived after work. As you see, still in I Love Park Jimin tea. I'm actually not really hungry, plus I'm going to Filipino fest right after that, so I decided to make myself like just a quick salad with some like feta cheese and spinach, paprika, cucumber, and tuna. Scuba. Girl.
Girls get together.
My days. Humongous.
Con chị vậy thôi cái đó hay là đỏ biết rồi em thử đắp playlist.
Guys, sorry for this whole thing. Like, I'm after work, I just sat down with my coffee like to study Korean, but let's give this a try. I was so excited when I found them. I saw actually a few videos. Girls were like going around Oslo, checking like several extra scoops, and there was no BTS Oreo. After work, I went to the store right next to my job. Actually found them. I just grabbed like 6 pieces. Honestly, I regret that I did not grab more. Yeah, the flavor is brown sugar pancake. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's so good. I love brown sugar.
나라가 될 생각을 하진 않았거든요. 한국이 큰 대세가 된 이후에는
I just did my makeup real quick and it turned out like so good, even though like I really did my makeup in like 5 minutes. I have my class in like 9 minutes and I've been studying Korean basically the whole morning. I was just like watching podcasts and writing down like the words I didn't know and very like important phrases that I would like to use it later. So yeah, it's been a really fun morning because I really love studying. I started new journal with my like hobbies, podcasts, everything that I find like in media space. Basically, I write down everything I like, the topics, the maybe music lyrics and different things. So it's really fun. So I have to go to my class and after that we're going to baking session. Oh yeah, I'm very excited about that. It's such a nice Sunday. Girls!
Yay! Nei, det er jo BTS. Det er god. Tenk at Dana fikk 6 stykker. Tenk at det kom til Norge. Jeg trodde ikke det skulle komme. They were so good. Jeg fikk BTS. Eller jeg fikk det, jeg tok det. Taste test, everyone. Snacks? Enda mer snacks. Jeg tar litt mer tøy. Ja, vi deler. Enjoy, guys! Den her er... Jeg føler...
Kjøpte du? Hvor kjøpte du? Marius kjøpte...
Nina kommer til å ha mest.
Jeg tror det er crispy. Wow.
오.